Hello users, let's take a quick tour of our app IHM, which has been specifically designed for students who are currently pursuing their hotel management degrees as well as diploma courses. This app offers you all what you need to crack your scores to the topmost in your degree and diploma courses. As you can see, this app has been designed for both degree and diploma courses according to its categories and has been divided in different 6 semesters, and for the diploma you have it according to the subjects which are being offered. The same is for the study material. You can see it has been divided according to semesters and according to the subjects which are being followed under that semester. This app also offers you old question papers for both degree and diploma. You can see the degree courses have been divided into 6 semesters, and each semester has it according to the number of years on which the question papers were being followed. This app also satisfies the need of IGNOU books as well as the assessments which are to be taken. As you can see, I am now going for the TS1, which is being followed in the first year, and it has been categorized into 9 other books. You can also see this app offers important books which are needed for you to gain more knowledge on hotel management industry. This app offers you every PDF possible of the books which are needed for you in this industry to excel more and more. This app also has a share feature. If you feel like sharing this app with your friends, you can do it either through in-app, or you can also share it with the help of third-party app, that is Google Play services, using its link. All the best for your exams, and we hope that you excel using this app.